While the boy was cleaning the temple, 4 giant statues were standing in his way. He got annoyed and said, "Hey, great statues, can you please help me a little? Just go outside for some time. I'll finish cleaning fast, and then even you will have a nice clean place." But the moment he said this, those statues, which had been still for hundreds of years, slowly started to move, and in the next moment, all 4 statues walked out of the temple by themselves and stood in a line outside, enjoying the sunlight. Now the whole hall inside was empty. The boy quickly grabbed his broom and started cleaning, but then the senior monk of the temple saw everything. He panicked and ran straight to the head priest. "Guruji, Guruji, the statues are not in their place." The boy heard their voices and his heart almost stopped. Moving statues was a big crime in the temple. He could get into huge trouble. He ran to the statues, folded his hands, and said, "Great lords, please come back inside. If my senior monk comes here, I'm finished. Please, it would be a huge blessing." And then, just like before, the 4 statues slowly walked back inside in a line as if nothing had ever happened. The boy was scared, but even more amazed.